Hi friends, we're live Diego Garcia. Never been here before. Indian Ocean. Standing on the short pier. Take a look out the water. Just walked down to that a minute ago. It is warm, it's nice. Did not bring swimming shorts. And I've been up for about 30 hours, so this is just going to be a quick video and head back to bed. And we got another 20-hour day tomorrow. Till next time, the beautiful waters of the Indian Ocean. And this is crystal clear. That's probably about 10 feet deep down there. You all have an outstanding Air Force day.